Guys, I'm cooking up something for you guys. If you think you know the style I'm trying to make a tutorial on, let me know in the comment section. If you have the picture of the what I am making, if I will not say it, you can drop the picture on the comment section. You can see whenever you see any curves coming up, you already know it's a woman's clothes. Yeah, but if you know the particular style that I'm trying to make tutorials on, let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'll have something for you. So I'll be sharing the tutorial on my YouTube channel, Lumsy Sews. Or if you think otherwise, if you think I should share it any other place, let me know in the comment section. But YouTube is my base for now, so that's where I know ground. So that's where I'll be sharing the tutorial. If you have not subscribed to that channel, head over to YouTube and subscribe to Lumsy Sews. Yeah, you can already see the shape of the hemline. Can you guys feel the shape of the hemline? Can you feel this curve? Anyway, make I no give you tips. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on my YouTube channel.